तो ये क्वेश्चन exercise 1.31. This question is from NCERT book. It is now established that the protons and neutrons are themselves built out of more elementary units called quarks. I have discussed these things in the class. A proton and neutron consist of 3 quarks each. 2 types of quarks, the so-called up quarks of charge 2 by 3 e and down quark denoted by minus 1 upon 3 e, together with electrons built up ordinary matter. Quarks of other types have also been found, like up, down, charm, beauty, top, bottom. So these are other types of quarks are there. These are more elementary particles, means if you break the protons and neutrons, then this type of quarks are there. So we'll not discuss this thing. We'll only solve this question that protons and neutrons are made up of up and down quarks, and up quark has charge plus 2 by 3 into E, and down quark have charge minus 1 upon 3 E. So the question is, suggest a possible quark composition of proton and neutron. So we will suggest what can be the quark composition for protons and neutrons. As we know, the proton charge is plus 1. So what can be the combination of up and down quarks, so that the net charge on proton should be 1. And another thing you have to keep in mind, that these quarks are these protons and neutrons are made up of 3 quarks. Okay, so you have to combine up and down. You can take 2 up, 1 down. You can take 1 up, 2 down. You have to combine these quarks in such a way that the net charge should be plus 1 on the proton. So if I'll choose the combination U and D, 2 up quark and 1 down quark for proton. Now you see, this is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. This is 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 3 by 3. This is plus 1. So this combination is perfect. Now can you suggest any other combination for proton? I don't think it will be possible for up and down, but you can try. If you find any other combination, you can comment. Now for neutron, we know that it's a chargeless particle, neutral particle. So what can be best combinations so that there will be net zero charge? So I think the combination should be UDD. If you can suggest any other combination, you are welcome, you can comment. So UDD, you know, this is plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and this is minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, this is minus 2 by 3 and plus 2 by 3. So net charge will be 0. So this combination, 1 up quark and 2 down quark, if they can combiningly, they can form one, means neutron of charge 0. So these two combinations are possible. We can suggest these two combinations for neutron and proton having this composition up and down quarks. Thank you.